Saurashtra Somnatham cha Srishail Mallikarjunam Ujjainiyam Mahakalam Omkaram Amleshwaram Kedaram Himprishte Dakinyam Himshankaram Varanasim cha Vishvesham Triambakam Gautami Tate Vaidyanatham Chidabhumo Nagisham Darakavani Setubandhe cha Ramesham Kushmesham Shivalay Etani Dvajadashatani Namani Pratruthaya Patete Satyajan Kritam Papam Smrane Nivinashyati. This shlok is often recited to remember all the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. To know more about it, stay tuned with us till the end. To the seekers of divine mysteries, welcome back to my channel Sarda Sutra. As the sacred month of Shravan begins, devotees across North India honor Lord Shiva with fervent devotion. But have you ever wondered about the profound significance of 12 Jyotirlingas, the most revered shrines of Lord Shiva? Today, we embark on a spiritual journey to uncover rare and fascinating facts about these holy sites. Stay with us till the end as we reveal secrets that will deepen your understanding of these divine symbols. Let's dive in. The 12 Jyotirlingas are spread across India and are believed to be the most powerful and sacred abodes of Lord Shiva. Each Jyotirlinga represents a different manifestation of the divine, and visiting them is said to cleanse one's soul and grant liberation. But what makes each Jyotirlinga unique? Let's explore. Somnath, the first among the 12 Jyotirlingas, is known as Eternal Shrine. Destroyed and rebuilt several times throughout the history, it stands as a testament to unwavering faith. Did you know that the temple's original site was believed to be made entirely of gold, but often destroyed to loot and plunder that gold? The second one is Mallikarjun Jyotirling. It is located in Srisailam Hills, Mallikarjuna, surrounded by a breathtaking landscape. Interestingly, this Jyotirlinga is one of the few where Lord Shiva and Parvati are both worshipped together. The third one is Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling in Madhya Pradesh. Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain is unique for its Bhasma Aarti, a ritual where the deity is adorned with sacred ash. This temple is also believed to have self-manifested lingam emerging from the ground. The fourth one is Omkareshwar Jyotirling, situated on Mandhata Island in Narmada River. Omkareshwar's shape resembles the sacred Om symbol. This temple is not just spiritual center but a geographical wonder. Kedarnath Jyotirling. Nestled in Himalaya, Kedarnath is accessible only by foot or helicopter. Legends say it was built by Pandavas after the Kurukshetra war to seek Lord Shiva's blessing. The sixth one is Bhima Shankar Jyotirling. It's located in Sahyadri Mountains and is surrounded by dense forests. It's believed that river Bhima originated here after Shiva defeated the demon Tripurasur. The seventh one is Kashi Vishwanath Jyotirling. It is located in Varanasi and is perhaps the most famous one. This temple has been a beacon of spiritual energies for centuries. Did you know that city Varanasi is said to rest on Lord Shiva's trident? The eighth one, Triambakeshwar, near Nasik in Maharashtra, is a unique three-faced symbolizing Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. It is also the source of sacred Godavari river. The ninth one is Vaidyanath Jyotirling in Jharkhand. Also known as Vaidyanath, is renowned for its healing power. It's believed that Ravana worshipped Shiva here to gain his boon of invincibility. Nageshwar Jyotirling in Gujarat is located near Dwarka and is famous for the large statue of Lord Shiva and its underground sanctum. It's believed to protect devotees from all poisons. The 11th one is Ramanath Swami Jyotirling in Tamil Nadu, or Rameshwaram Island. Is also known for its grand corridor and 22 holy wells. It's said that Lord Rama built this lingam here to worship Shiva before his battle with Ravana. And the 12th one is Krishneshwar near Ellora Caves is smallest of all Jyotirlings. It's believed that a woman named Kusum revived her dead son here through her unwavering devotion to Lord Shiva. Is there a hidden connection between these Jyotirlingas that we are yet to uncover? What secrets do these ancient shrines hold about our universe? Stay tuned till the end as we dive deeper into these mysteries. If you found this journey through the 12 Jyotirlingas fascinating, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to bring more such intriguing stories to you. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about our latest video. Thank you for joining us on this sacred exploration. Remember, the quest for divine knowledge is endless, and sometimes the most profound truths are found in most ancient places. Until next time, keep